Coach!
Yung first fight po ng boot, pasok na.
Lagi niya. Oh, pupuan.
Ano nga ibaba?
May bababa yan, ito.
Iba mo nga.
Kaso baka naman sa parang baba. Ano? Ayos? Parang baba?
Wala si Rogie, no?
Parating parang daw.
Okay lang? Ah, hindi. Baba mo taas ng konti.
Ito,
Ganito lang yata ito.
Ito, taas mo.
Yan. Ah, ganito lang dati. Ganito lang dati. Oo. Yan.
Sino magmamay?
Nakita ko pa, Mike!
Ito, maganda na abad to.
Anong pangalan?
Botchip din eh. Tatlo na yung stroller dun eh.
Naka-parking lot na yun. Stroller ko. Okay.
Yun na, naka-live na ito na. Naka-live na.
Pag-upo tayo. Lester is the best. Lester, di mo nakita sa yung mabukha ka sa akin. Rebound by number. Magato. Patrick 2. Up. Rebound. Rebound by Michael Lee. Tubira is good. Pursued by number 40. Magandang laban to. Number 31. Number 31. Patrick King. Pastis Maglas. Tumira, malakas. Rebound by Magato. 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 Oh! Nawalan. MVP. Pinili. Is Lagod. Rebound by number 31. Saved by Steele. Steele by number.
Same ball, same ball.
Still by number 3. Pasto Ismaglas. Ismaglas. Aquaman. 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 Pasto ka ba niya? 10-1. 6 seconds shot. Tap to shoot. You want the ball. Spin there. Side double. Batista. Rebound by 9-4-3. 40. The messenger. The messenger. Pupunin nila. No good. No good. Nakalawan. The center. Good. Pasto Magato. 10 seconds shot clock. Pasto number 3. Tumira na 3. No good. Rebound by Ismaglas. Ismaglas to Abadis. Number 31. Magato. Napagandang nakalawan. Is no good. Rebound by number 31 is good. Number 31. Easy to go by number 31. Simple. Score po natin ay Magato.
Siya na may tulak. Nakagulang ka na.
Magato. Pasto
Ay, marunong protection ng bola yan.
Pasto number 3. Tumira ng 3. Number 3. Foul.
Foul, 31.
Foul by number 31. Nakakuha ng foul. Napakagandang foul. Foul by number 31. Meron po tayong bonus shot. Na 3 beses sa number 3. First try of Tromavits is good. Number 3. Number 3. Good shot by number 3. Second try. Second try of Tromavits is good again. Napakaganda. May pag-uong kami ko. Third try. is second on the line, set by the referee point A. Green ball. Looking this for green technique. Pass to Batasay. Batasay. Steal. Pass to Magato. Magato, mano-mano na point yan. Up to the green. Is scored by the Magato and Magato. One play. Mapagod na laban to. Is Magato Aquaman. Pass to third one. The Aquaman. Pass to Batasay. Tumira na tayo si Batasay. Rebound by number 40. Double bay. Set by the referee point. Magato. Di mo na ball by Magato. Nagmamadali, Magato. Traveling hero by Magato. Traveling hero set by the referee. J-Man. May AC ko yan. Number 21. Number 21. Number 21. Pass to. Napakagandang pass to. Nakakuha ni Batasay. Batasay. Is the good rebound by the center. Rebound. Lapos. Rebound by the messenger. Number 40 ranking. Save ball, save by the referee. Dennis Trillo. 40 seconds attack. 2 minutes in Tropovic. No good. Rebound by the center. The center out of one by the seven. No good. Last touch by Robert Bay. Green ball. Held by the Dennis Trillo. Referee. Pagod siya. Number 21 Caballes. Number 31 Caballes. The MVP of Saudi Arabia. Pass to Aquaman. Pinasa kay Batasay. Batasay pumasok. Pinasa sa mga set. It's the knockout. Held by the referee point. Number 40. Foul by number 40. Holding foul by number 40. Winfield Washer. Dan Kim Pidreon. Pas Aquaman. Caballes. Pas to Aquaman. Aquaman. Tumira ng track. Atay by shooting. Is the root. Number coach. Coach foul by coach. Batista. Offensive foul by the coach. Batista. Tropovic. Pass to Magato. People the ball by Magato. Performance next. Pass to MVP. Nakapit. Last. Double play. 10 seconds shot clock. Magato. Drive Magato no good. Double ng talangan. Rebound by the Batista. Pass to Caballes. One to Tropovic. Nakakuha ng foul. Ang ganda na sabayan doon. Napakaganda sabayan Caballes at Diwata. Si Diwata. Foul by number 3. Diwata. Ang Pares. Upload.
Upload.
Ha? Overload to. Number 31 Pares good. Number 31 first down. Trading. Second try. Dusen shoot. Dusen is there. Counted. Set by the referee. Counted. Robert ball. Score. On 7. Time remaining 4 minutes and 18 seconds. With 23 shot clock. Para sa Roman Bay. Magato. Dribble the ball. Sumakasta sa gilid. Magato. Down pass. Take out. Is there on the line by the MVP. Keeping it on. Pass to Caballes. Pass to Batasay. Last time siya by Batasay. No good. Rebound by Caballes. No good. Rebound by MVP. Dito Candes. Para naman tumipid na yun. Valdez. Pass to Aquaman. Aquaman, dalunet. Dalunet. Pass to Jeffrey De Leon. Tumingin pa. Tumingin pa. No good. Rebound na katawan. Offensive foul again. Offensive foul. Set by the referee. Using by elbow. Using by choke elbow. Dua elbow. Oras po natin. Deuce. Harap. Bukaran. Burik. Score. This. Look. In favor of
Chicken wing.
Draman Bill. Atasnya, parang napansin tayo ngayon, parang napansin. Draman Bill. Shot. Is the good. Rebound number 7. Number 7 is the good. Pass to Aquaman. Aquaman. The John Shoe. The John Shoe. The John Shoe. Pares ka ito. Aquaman tumira ng 3. Try to shoot. Is good. One rebound pa Aquaman. Napakalupit ng Aquaman.
Time out.
Hey. Hey. Good. Hey. Pag mahuli-huli ka. Uy, mahuli-huli.
One rebound penalty ang Montreal. Sa friendshipness, pinasa kay Magato. Magato, president ng Tumray, is the good. Rebound by the hot, talo na center point, rebound, talo na napakaganda. Batista, rebound po Batista, pinasa kay Batosay. Batosay number 13, napakaganda ng asin. Pinasa kay Yellow shirt, Yellow, hindi mo kinala yun. Napakalapit ng mga galawan doon, bagong player yun, hugot. Magato. Magato. Pass to Overload. Back to Magato, the messenger. Back to Precious. Step back. Precious. No good. Rebound. Okay na kita. Offensive foul by Mr. Green. Batosay. Save by the Muse. The perfect shot. Pass to the Batosay. Napakaganda pass ay Batista. Uy! Malakas! Nakuha ng Batista hugot. Wala! The Batista! Between the center. The center, number 13 foul. Foul counted. Basket counted by the Hope Batista. Napakalakas po. May purong ng asteroid yan. The asteroid. First try by the asteroid. Istanbul. Rebound by the second. 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Tama na, counted. Tama na. Nice red.
Tingin. Dito ba? Dito.
Kaso, hindi na buhay kanina eh. 2 seconds. Dapat 2 seconds diretso yun.
Kasi running time tayo.
Napakaganda, para mo nakakalimutan championship.
Oo, kasi running time tayo.
Napakaganda naman. Friendship test, kahit mo lang po, friendship test.
Wala dito eh, nasa sa gilid.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game is brought to you by Aldereta and Caligare di Gayman. Keep the ball, keep the ball. Keep the ball, man. Nakapagpapit ko ng atas. Kropovic, pass to the Muse. Perfection. Perfection. Pass to the Tropa. Tropa tuloy na ng SW. Rebound by WG. Abang segmento Pressing-ness. Pressing-ness, nabitawang bola. Sayang lang ang pag-ibig ko. Kim Di Leon, pinasa na yung perfection. The yellow, pass to Davis. Still by the right body. Still the body. Pressing-ness. Pressing-ness. Wala mo play. Napakagandang body. Rebound by the right. Rebound by the Kimpi. The Kimpi napakagandang laban. Number 12, best player na natin eh. Number 12, the best player. Maliit. Muse. Dribble the ball by Muse. Libre. Umira ng 3 3-pointer. Is no good. Rebound. Rebound. Maglalibag na pa sa likod. Steal by number 40. Basket 3 by number 1. Pressing-ness. Pressing-ness. Umira ng 3. That is no good. Rebound by. Green ball set by that. Set by the referee. Moreno, number 40. Number 24, Muse. Number 24. Number 24, naghahanap ng papasahan. Number 24, Dubai. Ahog siya sa is no good. Nagagawa ng pagkakapasa. Abay, nakakuha ng foul. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's the rep? Number 40, foul by number 40.
Negative 40 yun.
Abdul. Windshield Wahid, Abdul foul. Bato. Bato, no good. Rebound by Ryan. Rebound by Ryan Layabab. Pass to Pressing-ness. Pressing-ness. Pass to the MVP, number 23. Fernandez is foul by number 1. Number 14, foul by number 14. 14.
Eh, kalat!
14, no? Hop! Rebound by no good. Hop! Rebound by the headline. The headline passing play. But he still gets Pressing-ness. Number 1. Number 1. Pass to Ryan. Ryan Layabab. Libre is good. Easy to go by Ryan Layabab. Napakaganda sa Patos. Kulay pink. Kimpi. Pass to the Muse. Muse. Hop. Extended on the line. Green. One possession for another Bay. Number 1. Number 1. Pressing-ness. Number 1. Set play. Pass to 40. Lopez Bay is left by Roman Bay. Green ball. Green ball po tayo. Green ball. 7 minutes. Time remaining 7 minutes. He scores 16-40. 9 shot na. Tumira si Luz. Aray mo siya. Is no good. Rebound by the Heban. The Black Heban. Gulay. Gulay. By to shot tayo. One shot by Abuse, 2 points by Abuse. Is second on the 3 point. Libo na ball. Binababa po ang bola. Ang Drummond Bay. Bumaba na po ang kanilang sa pitko. Number 23. Abuan Sedi, Timo the ball by number 3. Number 3 is no good. Foul. Foul by number 6.
Yak, Sam, yak.
Foul by number 6. Substitute ulit. Substitute ulit.
Pasok, pasok.
Substitute ulit again. Pasok, pasok. 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 First try of the Don Dantes. No, set by the referee. Warning number 3, delaying the game. First try, number 23. Number 23 first try is no good. Amoy mag-o-over ng pinsakin ang buso ni Kobe Pinoy. Second try is good. Good by the MVP. Number 31. Hindi mo naman tayo number 31. Nagdaan na naman ang Pinas. Number 7. Back to Batista. Batista gumamit ng plaza. Is good. Napakalakas gumagamit talaga ng katawan. Napakalakas ni Batista. Magato. Magato master ng 40. 45 the whistle off. Who's foul? Hughes. Foul number Hughes. For the Jones shot. Jones. First personal foul. 13 foul. 940. No good. Tapikan. Is no good to the pass. Magato na mga old school na shot. 9-4-3, Jumuray, pero pinasa na 3 points. Presidente, Tumira. Presidente is no good. No good by Presidente. Iglo. Simon Iglo set by the Batosay.
Natauhan din siya eh. Pero talaga dapat susundan talaga siya. Kasi magkakaya mo lang siya bali pa rin. Kaya dapat talaga lagi kasunod. Lagi siyang i-challenge. Kaya malaki error siya.
Hindi naman daw talagang
Pero nung una, di ba, wala nag-challenge sa kanya. Kaya layup na layup. Nahirapan siya. Error pa.
check.
Foul!
Naiyak yung bata mo.
Substitution din!
Substitution na.
Patusay din! Ang pagbabalik ng Patusay! Tinasan! Using for that! Tuhon! Hindi Patusay! Number! Number 40, pass to Regines. Number 3, Mapay Pakistan. Agad ba katawan ko? Pangayang tingin Lester ko. Pangayang tingin Lester. Lester, tinalo ka Lester.
Sap, sap, sap. Batista, tinggal sa ekip di Leon. Ini di Leon itu lari mau berlaris. Tinggal di buhay. Pas play dari Bagato. Oh, Sweating, he had the right hand at the wrong time. Number 31. Number 31, pass to number 42, Milan Marquez. Is no good. Rebound. Rebound by Ryan Calabjab. Ryan Calabjab sa composure. Pass to 40. One more update to Batusay. Batusay versus 140. Ball in the team. Oh! Napakalayo ng mga Riders. Roji. Pasok.
Substitute Joseph, number 3. 4 minutes. Last 1 minute po tayo. Last 1 minute. 24 shot clock. Number 31. Number 31. Dribble the ball by number 31. Dribble the ball. Pass to Batista. Pass to number 31. Number 31. At the right is Babu. Is still. Baka pass back to Magato. Magato wag lang mag-play. Napakagandang lalawin Magato. Nakalawan. Oh! Drobombe ball. Drobombe. Last touch complete. Ready. 26 seconds shot. 26 seconds. Overload. Bukale. Oras mo namin 16 seconds. 16 seconds. 30 seconds. 11 seconds for Patusay. 8 seconds for Patusay. Ubigo. Junction by Patusay. Ang walang foul si Patusay. Oh, ready. Number 20. May prito po dalawa.
Wala na oras.
Pero wala na oras. May prito po dalawa.
Number
11.
Number 11. Foul by number 11. 11.
All yun, landing spot yun.
First try by Patusay is no good. Napahawin si Patusay. Jamoran, a.k.a. Patusay. Number 13. Second try by Patusay. Is good. Ayun na. Walang time out. Isa kayo sa akin. Di mga alam ko eh. Oo, no? Di ba na? Napakaganda ng laban mo. Drobombe versus ano. Bilis. Galayo.
Paborito na niya kantang yan.
Mulagang-mulaga eh. Natakot.
Yung mga bago, ang mararamdaman ay
plano, dinalo agad ni Arnel. May dalagan Black Label. Kinabukasan
Ngayon din yata naman.
Nakaroon sa taas. Sinunong, umuwi na mo yung bis. Ano ba't ginaw? Umuwi! Kinabon. Inom. Hercules, inom. Huwebes, inom. Sabado, inom. Ngayon, ang kinabon.
Ang tayo.
Niyaya ako manood dito eh. Nasa inom mo na pala eh. Niyaya ako manood dito. Nasa inom mo na pala.
Ano sa akin lang yung sa taga Batangas?
Bakit? Oh, ayan oh. Nakilapon. Inom. Karawan. Dalawa.
Walang pala isa. Ano niya?
Isa, nasa tao lang.
5-0, may 5-0 ka pa.
Ay, tama na pala. Kuhanin ko rin taya ko. Yung tama ko.
Wala tulisan. Wala ka tulisan. Rod, wala ka tulisan.
Tuwa na, Dallas. Tuwa na po ang Dallas.
Ano mas babuwasan lang?
Ay, wala.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Ikutin mo lang ang ikutin. Ganyan-ganyan ginagawa sa mga ikutin.
Drum and bell, drum and bell.
Draw ball game. Draw ball game. Number 14. Number 14. 14 harus by number 31 sumalaksak. Pinasa kay Ryan Malabian. Ryan Malabian mabulok. Ball pa rin sa Pulakan. Green ball. Green ball. Number 31, Pastos Magas. Aqua. Aqua. Number 31, Pastos sa Pakistan. Bago mag-play, pinasa kay Aquaman. Umiramodu. Rebound by the Tower. The Tower. Pastos number 23. Caballes, pass to Aquaman to win off. Ang maraming numero by Aquaman. Napakaganda sa basket. Napakaganda sa basket.
Abay, balik ko.
Number 3, Diwata. Pass to negative 40. Negative 40. Negative 40 sa baksak. Without license. Driving without blind spot. Driving without blind spot. Iglo. Third person goal number 40. Caballes, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 23. Rebound by number 23. Rebound by number 23. Kapilihan. Pasto number 11. Ryan. 10 seconds shot clock. Pinasa kay MVP. The MVP pinayuan. The center. Pasto ng 2 seconds shot clock. At tuloy mo shot clock. Maraming pa sa akin na to. Substitution. Substitution at number 4 out. Number 1 friendship test in. Number 31. Pinakang bola. Number 31. Number 31. Pakusay. Pakusay. Uy! Putay mo si Pakusay. Napakagandang Pakusay. Napakalamit tinis na. Ano ba, bebe? Magaling ko nila yun. Napakaganda. Isma last for 3 point. Pressing babawin. Pinasa kay Diwata. Diwata sumalaksa. Diwata. Bumasa kay Raya Kayaplan. Raya Kayaplan. Diwata tumila, no good. Rebound by Batista. Batista pass to Batosay. Batosay. Napakahaba ni Batosay. Diwata pass to Teshipnes. Teshipnes. Tumila ng Tess. No good. Rebound by Ismaglas. Pass to Sedi. Kabukan ni Sedi. Pass to Batista. Pass to Batista. Rebound by MVP. No good. Rebound. Number 29.
Palang yun, isa palang.
Yung coach ko na, yung coach yung foul.
Iglo.
Hindi ko alam kayo kung 18.
Batista, third personal foul.
G!
Number 25. Pasok nila kay Quintes. Ang idol ko number 25 si The Ball Joy.
55 yun? Ano number ba yun? 55.
Back to the ball game. Oras pa natin 6 minutes. Third quarter. Friendship test. Friendship. Give the ball. Pass to Diwata. Diwata. Bumig. Diwata. Diwata. 1-on-1. Rebound by. Batosay. Pinasa sa number 7. Number 7, two drives, side step. Napakalakas na move. Ang gandang pangalot. Gumigay-gay pa, gumigay-gay. Gay-gay. Gumigay-gay si Idol. Number 1, pressing this. Score 37-31. Pinasa sa Teka Center. Back to the MVP. Pinasa sa Ryan. Ryan shot. Is good by Ryan. 2 points by Ryan. Ayan yan. Santos abuse. 1-1 to Batosay. Foul by number 3, Diwata. Wow shot by Batosay. Sa pag-return. Boom. Ano pa ito? Parang no good. Rebound by Ryan. May number 11, Ryan. Pass to Benjamin, number 1. Number 1, Benjamin. Boom by number 1. Off the pass by number 1. Number 1, Benjamin. Oh, number 7. Pass to Abandis. 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 Pass to Abandis. Substitution left. Bagato. In. And Diwata out.
One bola! David!
Number 13. Number 13, Bagato. Bagato. Pass to Ryan. Ryan. Pass to Benjamin. Pumukulo nila tres. No good. Rebound by MVP. Dingdong Dante. Rebound number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Number 1. Oh, nakakuha ng foul. Foul by number 1. Benjamin. A crossing foul by Benjamin. Last 4 minutes is back to you by Kare-Kare ni Grema na ngayon ko.
Kita dito! Kita yung red red.
Score! 29-36. Napakagandang laban, tingita. Bagato. Bagato. Pass to Ryan. Ryan jump shot. Is good. Parang nasa NBA. Batosay. Tumira na kasi Batosay. Pagin nila pa. Rebound kay Ryan. Rebound kay Ryan. Ryan. Binababa ang bola kay Ryan. Alas na yung number 21 pass to Magato. Magato. Using his right hand. Is no good. No good pa rin. No good pa rin. Rebound kay Batosay. A pass to kay Idol. Idol kay Idol, Benjamin, titira ng tres, pero bigyan ng Ryan. Jump shot ni Ryan is no good. But rebound again is Batosay. Batosay, wala na tayo sa Batosay. And the Benjamin is good by the number 21. Wala siya ng tres, ang number 21.
Ilaw! Ilaw!
41 and 30. And remaining 2 minutes and 37 seconds with the 16
David!
number 31 Bagato. Bagato may second shot na. Bagato, lumiyar sa gitna ni Libre is good. Napakagandang kailangan ng Bagato. Ako lang ang makasagtan. Defensa. Libre ball by number 5. Hop, hop. A foul. Foul by number 11. Ryan. No penalty.
Ilan na po si 11, boss?
Dalawa.
Dalawa.
Second personal pa na rin.
Second personal foul by Ryan Cayabyab, the position.
Kuya! Kuya!
Number 7, first line is good. Second line is good again. Number 11, remove the ball. 43-40. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes, rebounded by the third quarter. Number 31, Bagato. Bagato number 31. Pass to Beijing. There's 2 minutes on the Boom, rebound. Last play. And Batosay. 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 Batosay is 2 more by Batosay. Bagato. Bagato, dribble the ball back Bagato. Is clear by number 13. Tumira ng tres. Boom! Number 30 Bagato! For 3! Babae ng number 31. Number 31. Number 31. To right. Pinas sa gilid. No good. No good.
Sap!
Substitution left. Last 1 minute.
Pasok, Mike, ha?
Score 45 and 43. Magato. Dribble the goal by Magato. In 52 seconds, make 80 shot clock to shoot. Number 21, Magato. Ang ganda ng pasa kay Ryan. Ryan tumira ng Diyos. Rebound by the Diyos. The Diyos wala ng pass break play. Napakalupit ng mga pass break play. Kaya 147-43. Number 31, Personal Center. Pushing foul. Another one set by Bradley. Pushing foul by Qureshi there. Second personal foul by number 1, Qureshi. Penalty. Score 47-43. First try of number 21 Navarez. Ang Caballero is good by first round. The MVP of Saudi Arabia. MVP of Saudi Arabia. Oh. 26 seconds. The MVP of Afghanistan is good. Up. Oh. 7-3.
Bola!
Bola, pass to number 13. Back to the ball. Pass to Magato. 16 shot clock. 20 shot clock. Magato, Dubai. Napakagandang galawan ng Kapeke. 10 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Oh, foul.
Wala bang foul?
penalty.
Foul number 12, ha?
Foul. Napakaganda ng galawa. Dapat itinira na. Number 12, foul by number 12.
Foul lang.
Third quarter.
Ay, nandiyan pa.
Shot at kapala ay Block. Atas sa Canada. Thank you, DJ.
Wala pang penalty eh, kaya...
Rock to the ball game. Napakaganda po ng aran. Igloo ball. Inbound by the news. The second shot. Number 31. Pass to number 7. Back to the news. Napakagandang foul. Napakagandang stop. Igloo ball by number 2. Napakaganda. Magato. Libre the ball ng Magato. Back to Magato. Pass to Magato. Masyado Magato.
Bawi!
Number 31. Libre the ball. Pass to number 7. Back to number 31. Number 31. Pass to Kumat. Ayan na naman si Luz. Tumira. Nakuha yung balls. Gumamit si Kumat. Napakaganda ng asteroid. Number 11. Foul by number 11. Third personal foul by number 11. Abroad to shot by asteroid. Napakaganda. First time asteroid.
Napakawala yan talaga. Lahat na yung
Kaya lang yan.
Second try, no good. Ano po?
Hey, sino yan?
Ball.
Hey, sino yan? Sino yan? Asteroid.
Asteroid, asteroid.
Eleven seconds, pre.
11 seconds shot not to shoot. Number 7 ng Kabandes. Pasto, Batosay. Batosay. Nakawang foul. Number 40.
Apat na yun, pre.
Number 40. 4 personal foul. One in congratulate ng number 40 ng LBC. First shot by number 13 Batosay is no good. Tuwitingin pa. Last number 8. Second try by Batosay. Batosay from Japan, Hiroshima. Is no good again. Rebound by number 40. Number 40. Number 40 mo sumunod. Foul passing Batosay. Number 13.
Basket first personal, pre.
First personal foul, number 13. First team foul.
First personal foul, Batosay. First team foul. A bonus shot by 40. Rebound by Batosay. Oh! Napakagandang labanan. Oh! Ball shot. Oh! Bumble, tama. Napakagandang position ng bumble. One possession. Draw number. Ano na yan? Yan tinagpili na rin ang sito. Ano na yung sito yan? Akala sa next. Ryan, hindi mo ba Ryan? Ryan, nilabas kay Diwata. Diwata number 3. Diwata, pass to Maganto. Maganto, Maganto na Arco. Maganto, pinas kay Diwata. Number 31, Caballes. Caballes, the Caballero, ang MVP ng Afghanistan. Caballes, pass to the Blues, the take shot, Dubai Mahmoud, passing level, walang galing Maganto, napakaganda pero walang kinuha. Number 24, take shot, Blues, foul, Hamad! Napakagandang laban.
Dalawa lang siya. Personal foul.
Second personal na po ang Muse. Number 24. Laban po ang Tigro. 51-49. Ipasok nila ang idol ko, si Damon John. Ang tunay na magulo. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game.
Yung ano lang ay,
Magandang player ng Eagles. First time and number 23. Bonus shot is rebound by number 4. Pass to number 31. Number 31, sumalasap. Nakakuha na. Blocking foul. Blocking foul by set by the referee, J-Man. Sa CS2. Second personal foul by number 3, Diwata. Sa overload. 13 foul. Is no good. No good by number 31.
Bagsak!
Is no good again. Dito ba napakalakas? Ang lakas to eh. Kaya pa isa number 7. Hindi better ang lakas. Number 23.
First personal foul. First personal.
First personal foul. And number 23. Goal.
Shooting foul yung rep? Galing siya kasi sa ibabaw sa ibabaw.
Warning po penalty.
Box out muna, pre! Gitna!
Last touch. Green ball, green ball. Number 31.
Shooter!
Number 31.
Kabit!
Baganto, pass to negative 40, pass to higher number 11, pass to Baganto, pass to the MVP, no bukas na lang, tinira na agad, nagsabayan, ay asal na masyado malakas, si Asteroid, tutang ina na yan, ayan na, at tabi lang ako, parang tayo ng hour, Satosay, 6 minutes, time remaining sa
Okay, okay, sige lang! Harap!
Number 31. Ayan na! Ayan na! Satosay! Ayan na! Bulat! Himatay! Bulat! Bulat! Matay! Number 40. Number 40. Dribble naman by number 40. Number 40. Score 57. Magato. 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 Pass to number 40. Pass to number 40. Agad ng pass sa'yo. Bumama ng isa. Physical force by Team Waka. Number 3. Ano po naman? Number 7. Pass to Aquaman. Aquaman. Pass to number 31. The MVP of Saudi Arabia. The MVP of Saudi Arabia. Pass to Number 7. Daniel Padilla. Sa'yo lang ang lahat.
Number 7.
Number 7, foul by number 7. First personal foul by 7.
Third team foul.
Third team foul. Wala akong natin sila. 9:40. Natatandaan ko yun. Second try by 9:40. Is no good. Rebound by Asteroid. Pass to ng 7. Pass to number 31. Sa MVP of Saudi Arabia. Tumira. Rebound by Bagatay. Is steal by Bagato. Bagato. 1-on-1 play. Bagato by out. Napakagandang play po ng Bagato. Sa number pass. Asteroid. Asteroid. Ayan. Ayan na po. Is nakakuha ng foul. Number 11. Fourth personal foul by number 11.
Sub.
Apat na po ang foul. Penalty, ref, penalty. Substitution, ref.
Lawrence!
Substitution, ref.
Derek! Ano ka?
First try of Tatosay. The Exclusion Island.
Jeldy!
Exclusion.
Jeldy! Son!
Second try of Tatosay. Second try is no good. Rebound by number 7. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Is still by number 3. Is still by number 3. A perfect play by Bagato. Is still by number 1 by number 30. Pinasa. Pinahin. Bagato. good. First try by number 13 is good. Second try. Second try is good again. Parang nilalagay. 61-55. 47 seconds. Hinagis na lang. Nakuha yung MVP. Nakalawan. Jump between. Jump Sable.
Shot! Shot! Lapit! Shot!
Pinasa sa number 7. Number 7 para kapit kay MVP. Nakatayo lang. May pakusay. Isa mo tayo.
Una!
Basket play to Masato. Steven number 31. Number 31. Number 31. Napagad ng malawan nun. Ano ba ito?
Time out.
Number 40. Pete and knock out. Number 40, Pete and knock out. Number 2 tayo. Number 40, let's go. 61-55 in favor of Igno. The team of Pagpasay and Akuma. Time winning, 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Basketball game is brought to you by Caldereta di Lucas Partisi. First try of Caballero, ang MVP ng Saudi Arabia, is good. Second try of Caballero, ang MVP ng oras mo lang tayo 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Good pa rin. 53-52. 55. Halaman nga po ay 8. Magato, Dubai. Easy na yan. May nakakarap ko yung side ko na ito.
Hoy, tao na! Hoy!
Number 7, pass to number 21. Number 21. What happened? Number 1, defensive foul by number 1. Defensive foul by number 1.
May penalty daw.
Penalty, 7-10. Defensive foul. Napakaganda laban. Number 13, Musa is so good. Last 10 minutes and 4 seconds. Fourth quarter.
Kaya pa eh.
Hindi ko nakatingin sa score sheet eh.
Number 13. Number 13 is good. Good by number 13. Raposay. Last 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes. Number 23. Pass to Magato. 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 Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 7.
Tao!
Number 7. Pinutubot by number 7. Pass to the News.
Dapat ka!
The News. Pass to number 21. Chelsea is shot clock. Offensive foul by Pagpasay. Defensive foul by Pagpasay. Penalty left, penalty. Second personal foul by Pagpasay. High free throw. Second personal foul. Penalty. Penalty left.
Shot ba yun?
No free throw ha.
No free throw, no free throw. No minutes and 4 seconds. 3 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Number 23, foul by number 23. Fourth, personal foul by number 23. Fourth. One equal penalty. Fourth. First foul is Gabriel. Substitution, eh? Substitution, eh?
Pasok. Son!
Number 23. Number 7 second round. Is no good. Rebound. Oh, 1 minute and 42 seconds. Fernando.
Time out.
Matapos sila mag-usap. Yung card hindi nila bigay. Pag natapos sila mag-usap, panik ka. Ginagamit.
Back to the ball game po. Masalat na po yung laban. Tatlo lang po ang kalabanan. Up. A chance to shot by the Bangkosay. The mommy of the pyramid of the Middle East is good. Apat na po ang kalamangan. Second round of Bangkosay. Is no good. Rebound by the second. Pass by the MVP. MVP. Pass to number 2, tumira ng 3. 2. Nakakuha naman ang kalamangan. 53-55. Number 7. Pass to Bangkosay. Bangkosay makapagtap. Uy! Napakalupit si Bangkosay! Dalmani! Tumira si Balandan!
Coach!
Si Coach, graduate si Coach.
Partida ko ng Alpamo.
Pre, sino yung 18? Sino yung 18?
Coach.
Graduate, graduate.
Number 18.
Graduate.
So yung free throw, balik o isa lang ulit ulit?
Batista.
Okay na yung free throw, isa lang.
Grabe by Batista. Number 12.
Siya nga yung coach eh.
Second try by Ryan. Second try.
$28 seconds.
No good. Rebound by Babahill.
Nailaban nyo.
Yung timeout.
Time out, isa lang, tag-isa.
Tigisa mo, timeout. Additional. Bigyan mo sila tigisa.
Jumble between number 7 and number 13. Overtime. Ngayon na po nangyari yan sa Kalambuhay sa Canada. Rebound. By number 13. Seven on the line. Ngayon na po nangyari ang tingnan mo.
Mamaya.
15 minutes ang stop line. Number 24, perfect shot, dribble the ball, Still by number 7, one over to the center, number 13, number 7, Kim nasa kay Batosay, Bumbuero, parang pangalaman ng number 12, number 11, dribble the ball, pass to Maganto, pass to tumira ng 3, boom, wala, Number 7, pass to number 12. I'm remaining 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Number 7, 47 shot clock. Last 2 minutes.
Patay. Tuwid yun eh.
Number 21, Maganto. Maganto.
31.
Number 21, number 31.
Third personal foul.
Third personal foul by number 21.
Three-point shot na, 3-point shot.
75 na.
Pressure test. Tumira ng 3. Boom, wala. Rebound na center. Number 7, foul by number 7.
Second personal foul. Penalty, brother.
Penalty.
Doon pa lang, ilan na?
Tatlo na.
Tatlo.
Penalty, penalty. Penalty. Penalty na penalty.
Si 31, si 7, saka si...
First try.
Tatlo
It's
na.
good. First try is good.
Wala pa.
Second try. Second try is no good. But rebound by number 21. Foul by number 13. Foul by number 13. Side ball. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds shot clock. Pass to Yus. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 5 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. It's no good. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 24. 9 seconds shot clock. 9 seconds shot clock. 9 seconds shot clock. Foul by number 31.
Sinong foul, pre?
Number 31. Foul by number 31.
Iglo.
Number 31.
Penalty yun.
Penalty.
Apat.
Number 31. 46 ay foul by number 31.
Offensive.
Okay. 40 seconds shot clock. 40 seconds shot clock.
1 and 19
40
seconds.
seconds shot clock. Rebound by Aspen King. Sino ba yan?
Ano pa yan?
Diwatak. Ano ginawa ni Diwatak? Rebound by Batosay. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 55 seconds.
1 minutes? Dami nun.
1 minute. 57. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 31. Pushing foul by number 1. Number 31 offensive. Offensive foul by number 31. Grabe by number 31. Grabe. Number 31. Grabe. Substitution by Ismanas.
Offensive foul.
The Aquaman. 40 seconds shot clock to shoot. 40 seconds shot clock to shoot. 11. 11 shot clock to shoot. Napakagandang bitaw ni Kai Hintlis. Pumasok. Yan ang kanina pa raw.
Sino?
Number 3.
Graduate yun.
Number 3. Broadway. Number 3. Broadway. Broadway po si Diba. seconds. In the remaining
Besa,
of time.
nagpunas na lang ng bimpo.
40 seconds shot clock. Second try by Batasay is good. Batasay. Batasay. Halas kay Batasay. Batasay Ryan. Batasay, play shifted. Middle of play. No good. Rebound by the MVP. MVP. Batasay. 50 seconds shot clock. Number 12. Pass to Batasay. Batasay one-on-one play. Pinasa. Betul. 8 seconds. 2 minutes. No good.